The reason you clicked on this video is at the very end of this video, and that video has a lot of surprises, so go check it out at the end. But before that, let me tell you a few things. And remember, this video has nothing to do with bank exams, so if that is the only thing that you seek in your life, then you do not need to watch this video. First, I have to thank you. Starting a YouTube channel was one of the best decisions of my life, and I have been overwhelmed by the love, the support, and so much encouragement that I get from all of you. I have not been perfect and I have made lots of mistakes, but you have forgiven me each and every time, and for that I am eternally thankful to you. I've sometimes hinted to you that YouTube isn't the only single thing I do. There are a lot of different projects that are running in the background, and I am working on a lot of things at the same time. So sometimes I feel like I'm working 24/7. I don't have any personal time at all. And today I'm actually very excited to show you one of those projects that I have been working on for a long time. Many years ago, I used to believe that India is the best country in the world. We don't need to learn anything from the West. Why do we need to learn any single thing from our neighbors or from the rest of the world? We already have everything. But my thinking changed over the years, because we know that our nation has an ancient heritage. We are one of the oldest civilizations and we have done so much. But today we are lagging behind. So can we always be stuck to our past glory? Yes, we have invented zero. Yes, we have explored technology. We have explored all our spiritual practices. But today, are we really at the pinnacle of society? The answer, sadly, is no. We are stuck to the past. We keep talking about our past glory, about the things we had achieved, but we keep forgetting that now we are very behind the curve. One of the first times that I realized this was watching the movie Swades. Do you remember that movie when Shah Rukh Khan had that famous scene at the Panchayat, when he said that the West has lot of things to teach us, but everybody belittled him, everybody told him that no, we have everything that we can possibly ever want. But that's not true. We have so much to learn from the West. We have so much to learn from all over the world. And over the years, I have had the opportunity to meet people from all across the world. And I have understood that when we look outside, then we can understand things about ourselves. We can understand about our culture. And that is why I feel that we can definitely learn a lot of the things from the rest of the world. You might have seen this poll on my channel recently. Over 3,000 of you voted in this poll, and I was very glad to see that over 75% of people, so that's over 2,000 people, said that we should be actually learning things from the West. And even the people that did not actually agree, they had great points of view, and I loved reading all of your points of view on this matter. I especially loved reading this thing that Akash had written: "Let noble thoughts come to us from all sides." That quote from the Rig Veda, I think, should be something that each one of us should be agreeing with. So that brings us to the reason for creating this video. I need your support. I'm starting a new YouTube channel with a YouTuber from Finland. Initially, it's going to be the both of us, but later on, we plan to connect with every single country on the planet Earth. So we have already asked a few of our friends from all over the world to be in the first video, and they have made some guest appearances in that video, and I hope that you're going to like it. So why start this channel right now? Well, we had thought of doing it earlier. The pandemic was actually inhibiting us, but after a while we realized that we don't need to be physically present to actually create this thing. We can do it over the internet, and right now is the perfect moment for this, because we are going through a crisis in the entire world. But I believe that with every crisis comes an immense opportunity, and that is why we started this channel, and I hope that you are going to join us in this journey. So let me know in the comments, do you think that this is a good idea? What do you think about our international channel? Do you think it's going to work? Well, I hope that it does, and let's find out over time if I am right or wrong. Can we get to 500 subscribers on this new channel in 1 week? Well, only you can give me the answer. And don't worry, I'm not going to neglect this channel. This is my main channel and it always will be. It bears my name, so why would I ever try and neglect it? But this is just a new project that I am starting, and it would mean the world to me if you would go to the new channel and choose to subscribe, because you are the people for whom I have created this new channel. So that is the entire story. People from 10 countries have helped us to make our first video, so I do hope that you will check it out. See you on Nation Connection.